1. A Tiger King-inspired greeting card for the pal who'd much rather you sing "I saw a tiger" whilst they blow out their candles, you know, in lieu of the happy birthday theme. $4.63. 2. A laser-cut DIY project featuring a miniature model spaceship. If you're looking for a gift that combines their love of crafts, space, and the Ancient Aliens show, then because you've hit the jackpot. $24. 3. A Dundie Award trophy for anyone who has several shows they'd like to watch but are way too preoccupied with re-binging. $15.99 plus. 4. And a very comfortable Dwight Schrute sweatshirt will take into account their new uniforms when it comes to watching their favorite episodes again. $24.95 plus. 5. A scented soy candle that smells as delicious as a fresh funfetti slice. Birthday cake scented candles and actual birthday cake. $8. 6. A farmer's kit so you could successfully DIY 3 batches of best thing this world has to offer. $14. 7. Bath bombs for the pal who loves the holidays. These horror movie-inspired gifts will have him feeling like it's spooky season, even if we're smack in the middle of spring. $5.85. 8. Wall art that doubles as decor and educational tool. If they're trying to figure out the contents of a bouquet, they'll simply have to reference this colorful flower chart. $19. 9. A punny Snape-inspired enamel pin that they'll want to wear always. $9.64. 10. A double dipper holder guaranteed to become their favorite car accessory. That's right, presenting a handy vent clip to keep their favorite sauce within reach. $5 plus. 11. An artificial bouquet comprised of hydrangea, lotus, and peony flowers that looks gorgeous but require exactly zero effort. $11.99 plus. 12. A fancy floating ledge so they can display all of their favorite tunes in the most aesthetically pleasing way possible. Choose between 6 stain finishes and one of 5 materials: walnut, oak, cherry, clear maple, and whitewash on maple. $57. 13. An activity book guaranteed to make you the birthday gift game. From cracking codes to shading inside angels' chiseled cheekbones. This is the ultimate present for the friend who wishes they lived in Sunnydale. $3.84. 14. A personalized tote bag because practicality is the gift you're looking to send. They'll certainly this practical hunk of canvas everywhere from work to weekend Long Beach trips. $12.74 plus. 15. A water-resistant sticker so that they can pay homage to their favorite show via their laptop, planner, water bottle, car, and the list goes on. $3.50. 16. A wish bracelet to make all of their dreams come true. Plus, you can even personalize the rainbow keepsake card. $3.21. 17. A foodie dice set that, thanks to 186,000 possible combinations, will help even the most indecisive person choose a damn meal. $24. 18. A pencil set because these may be 2 pencils, but they honor your one favorite show, The Golden Girls, baby. $6. 19. A Renaissance-inspired portrait that is the most thoughtful present you can give. It also only takes about 2 days to receive. Submit a photo, add a pet name, and that's it. $10. 20. A custom ring inspired by their favorite cityscape. Think spots like New Orleans, New York, Paris, or Prague being adorned on their digits. $23.62. 21. A stemless wine glass that can house their favorite red, white, or rosé. Customize this with their name and they're to put this to use during their next Friends Marathon. $9.95. 22. A game of cornhole guaranteed to wreak havoc on your family's next backyard shindig. For an event more competitive than the Olympics, these monogrammed boards are where it's at. $249 plus. 23. A naturally antimicrobial linen bag that will keep bread fresh for a longer period of time. for an easy way to extend the shelf life of your favorite paired with butter food, you'll want to get this immediately. $20. 24. A handmade mug to turn their morning coffee into an even more luxurious ritual. Caffeine housed in this gorgeous hunk of ceramic? Yes, please. $25.71 plus. 25. An art print highlighting Broadway costumes throughout the years, from that of Cats to Jersey Boys. This gift is the friend who uses their Spotify account to stream the Wicked soundtrack in its entirety. $30. 26. A hand lettering kit for anyone looking to improve their penmanship, transform their DIY projects into something worth gramming. This kit provides easy-to-follow instructions to turn their doodles and scribbles into a work of legible art. $58. 27. A soy wax candle inspired by the fruity, sugary cereal that accompanied your Saturday morning cartoons. In other words, this smells like your $16 plus. 28. A linen jumpsuit for anyone who despises having to choose both a top and bottom, doesn't like dresses. Presenting the perfect versatile one-and-done solution. $90. 29. A dainty customizable ring they'll reach for on the daily. This gorgeous little accessory will become the pièce de résistance to every single outfit they wear from now on. $33.99 plus. 30. A paper model of the Grand Budapest Hotel, sure to make the heart of any Wes Anderson fan flutter. This even comes packaged in a Mendel's box that will obviously be treasured forever and ever. $20.25. 31. A lined hardcover notebook so they can jot down dreams, to-do lists, their next novel. The possibilities are endless, and this thoughtful gift is guaranteed to be put to good use. $19.29. 32. A handmade bookend that any bibliophile will want to purchase for themselves. This hunk of customizable solid oak even comes with a built-in vase to house their favorite flower. $44.93 plus.